everybody's gonna be there down at the county fair. Big time, big talk, big crowd, big hair. There's nothing bigger all around the country anywhere. And the county fair. Judging pigs and judging pies, fighting for the first place prize. And have you seen this year's queen? 4-H club and FFA working toward a better day. And a petting zoo, yeah, they got that too.